Serial killer's case is set to be re-examined by a trial court, and the mom of one of his victims is speaking out, saying that she feels like justice isn't being served nearly 40 years after her daughter's death. ABC 7's Lauren Bly spoke to the mother and joins us live. Lauren.
Paul, in 1992, a jury convicted David Leonard Wood of killing 6 girls and young women in 1987. They're burying their bodies in the northeast El Paso desert. Desiree Wheatley was one of those 6 girls. Her mother, Marcia Fulton, feels the justice system is serving Wood and not the victims' families.
All of a sudden, he's the only one that makes any difference. I don't make any difference. And neither did the other mothers who lost children, lost their girls.
Wood, also known as El Paso's desert serial killer, has come within hours of execution since his conviction of capital murder in 1992 twice, once in 2009 and in March of this year, which took Fulton by surprise.
Certainly they're not going to stay him twice. I've been wrong before. I'll be wrong again some other time. And it's not right to Desi. I mean, she paid with her life, and he's not paying with anything.
Wednesday, the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals ruled Wood's conviction should be re-examined. 4 out of the 8 judges objected to this decision. The 9th judge, Judge Burt Richardson, also presides over the trial court case, so he didn't vote. In February, Wood's legal team filed an appeal called a writ of habeas corpus, which stated 8 claims that they say prove his innocence, including the prosecution provided a false testimony and suppressed evidence. Wood's attorneys wouldn't provide an interview, but did provide a statement that says, in part, quote, "We are grateful that the CCA recognized the seriousness of Mr. Wood's claims, which present a substantial amount of new evidence showing Mr. Wood's innocence, including evidence that was withheld by the state during his trial."
She was a runner.
For Fulton, every time there's a change in the case, she says she feels she's losing her daughter all over again.
It just doesn't seem right that the victims, the families that have already gone through one of the worst traumas they could possibly do in a lifetime keeps getting traumatized every time they do something. But here we are. I still got her memory. That will never go away. And I've got pictures and all that of her.
And Fulton also said she doesn't mind if Wood spends the rest of his life alive in prison and avoids execution as long as she outlives him. Reporting live in studio, Lauren Bly, ABC 7.